For more than 60 years, Micromeritics has been providing unparalleled measurement technology for porous materials to thousands of laboratories, universities, and scientists across the globe. The all-new AccuPore capillary flow porometer incorporates innovative and patented features that make it the easiest, most accurate, and most versatile measurement of through porosity for membranes, separators, filtration media, technical fabrics, and other sheet goods. Capillary flow porometry, or CFP, is a fast, easy, airflow-based technique to determine the size and distribution of through pores in sheets and membranes. Precision flow control is essential to reliable pore size measurements. That is why the AccuPore features SmartFlow, an advanced control system that guarantees the most precise pressure control, highest sensitivity, and lowest signal noise. Direct measurement of true bubble point provides unmatched accuracy and repeatability, better than plus or minus 1%, enabling highly detailed pore size distributions that reflect physical pore architecture without curve fitting or post-processing. SmartFlow also provides the unique capability to perform measurements in both pressure ramp and step modes, ensuring the correct measurement is available from routine qualification to detailed characterization. The intuitive Breeze Touch interface makes the AccuPore easy for anyone to perform measurements, manage methods, and review results quickly and easily. Never hunt for a past result or worry that method settings are out of sync. The MicNet instrument-to-instrument network automatically saves and synchronizes results and methods across devices. The flexible, easy-to-use sample chamber makes it simple to handle samples and move between sample diameters. Reduce operational costs with Smart Gas Selection, which automatically selects the input pressure source, reducing the consumption of bottled high-pressure gas cylinders and the associated cost of operation. Thousands of scientists choose Micromeritics for their porous material characterization. Find out how the AccuPore capillary flow porometer can help you today.